I dance on the breeze, light and free, gliding through valleys, over the sea. Whispers in the leaves, a gentle caress. In the wind's embrace, I find my rest. I am the wind, swift and wild, a force of nature, untamed, unbeguiled. Through storm and calm, I soar and play, carving paths in skies of gray. I bend the air with every breath, a swirling tempest, life and death. I lift the birds and stir the seas. In my presence, feel the ease. Through the forests I weave my song. In every gust I travel along. From mountain peaks to deserts wide, I am the wind, your constant guide. I am the wind, swift and wild, a force of nature, untamed, unbeguiled. Through storm and calm, I soar and play, carving paths in skies of gray. I carry whispers of distant lands, sculpting dunes and shifting sands. In my hands, the power to heal, or to unleash with forceful zeal. Feel my touch, cool and clear, a gentle breeze to chase your fear. In every breath, in every sigh, know the wind is always nigh. I am the wind, swift and wild, a force of nature, untamed, unbeguiled. Through storm and calm, I soar and play, carving paths in skies of